What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. I've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Binance and how they've added 10 hours to the shutdown for right now and are currently getting it synced. So they've had an update, and they said we experienced a server issue on our replica database cluster. I'm sorry, that's the last one. Still waiting on a data copy. It will take a while, another 10 hours at the current estimate. Due to the unexpected length of time, we will allow 30 minutes for people to withdraw orders before trading resumes when the system is back. So, if you guys don't already know, go check out my other video. But Binance had to shut down because they were out of sync. They needed to get synced up real quick. It's actually not even real quick. It's taken quite a bit. It's like 20 hours now in total or something. They needed to sync with their master, all their data, and I think that's actually a good thing. Like, if they're out of sync, at least they're manning up and they're admitting it, saying, okay, we're out of sync right now. Maybe their prices aren't matching up, something of that nature, and they need to get that fixed. If we had an exchange that wasn't fixing the problems that are in there, then I would be scared. I wouldn't want to be in an exchange or something that doesn't fix their problems. They just kind of let it run rampant. So there's a whole bunch of people freaking out, and they don't need to be. Due to the unforeseen slowdown in the speed of our data sync, we are now estimating for all trading activity to resume at 2018, the 9th at 4 a.m. in 30 minutes or prior to the, saying that you can trade, blah, 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 just in case you had trades that were going through and you don't want them to anymore. So you can cut those off within after 30 minutes. So if you have trades that are going through and you don't want them to anymore, be up 3:30 a.m., go in there, fix it, go back to sleep. Kind of sucks that it's at 3:30 a.m. to 4 a.m., but do it. Just do it. Get it over with. But otherwise, I don't think you should be selling your stuff anyways right now. Now is not the time to be selling, but only to be buying. And then at the last thing that they said, which was an hour ago, as it currently stands, data sync is steadily progressing at this rate. We will stand by our previous estimation and trading activities resuming at 4 a.m. on the 9th at 4 a.m. So basically tonight at 4 a.m. is when it's going to be fixed. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience it caused. And what I've noticed is that I'm not sure if it's for everybody, and I'm not sure it's for every way to go on there. If I go onto my Binance, I can see that I have nothing on here. So there's nothing on my Binance on my computer. But I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but if I go on to my phone, and I'm going to hide my numbers and everything and how much everything's worth, but my Binance is full with all of my crypto on there. You guys can see what I'm investing in and everything on my Binance. But everything is there. So that's the main point. Everything is still in there. I know a bunch of you guys have been going on in the comments freaking out on my last video talking about, oh, all my stuff's gone. Everything like that, and then a lot of people spreading FUD saying they're just stealing our money, blah blah blah. Like he said, all my funds are gone. It's like, so are mine on here, but then on my phone they're not. So it's like they're still syncing it, so they're still making sure that everybody has their account, that it's all the right coins, all of that stuff. They're making sure everything is right, so they're not just gonna throw everything out there one time before it's finished. And this guy also had no account balance, and it's just a common thing. This guy posted, hackers are getting all the coins while you speak. It's like, he has no proof. He has no definitive proof about that. People want to spread FUD, guys. They want, who knows, these people may be the type of people that are trying to get everybody to sell constantly so they can get even lower prices. But this guy is just spreading FUD. Like, he has no proof. These people never back up any of their claims. They'll say, oh, they're hacking or they're stealing it, and you'll say, okay, how are they doing that, or who's doing it? And they're like, just people, man. They're doing it, man. And like, they don't know. They don't know. They just put whatever they want on there or they're just trying to have fun and make fun of people or whatever. It's ridiculous. But for all of us guys like that are not dumb and we're just listening to Binance on Twitter and stuff like that, it's clearly maintenance. It's nothing to freak out about. I think Binance is one of the most reputable exchanges out there. I think it's one of the safest ones. But if you don't feel safe with an exchange, then don't keep your coins on there. Like, it's not that hard. Just get a hard drive and put all your coins on whatever hard drive you have, and then it'll be at home. And then it's that easy. And you guys should already know about those. And if you have, especially if you have a ton of just ridiculous amounts of money in crypto, and put it in there. Put it on that. I plan on buying one soon. I don't currently have one right now, but I do plan on buying one soon. So you guys should also check that out. My only problem with it is putting all of my coins on there. I'm like, man, I would freak out if I ever lost that thing. Obviously, I'd keep it in a safe and all of that, but it's still like, it kind of bothers me that it's like in a physical presence. So that'd be like keeping, you know, if you have 10,000 invested, it'd be like keeping 10,000 on one tiny flash drive. And I feel like you could lose that. Like, if I lost that, I would just have an absolute meltdown. So I don't know about putting, currently, like, I don't know if I'd put all of mine, but I'd probably put half of my crypto on it and then keep half of my crypto on there for trading and stuff like that. So it's up to you though, guys. You need to, you know, decide for yourself. This is not financial advice. I'm not a professional. It's just friendly advice. I'm trying to help you guys out, trying to make sure that y'all aren't freaking out about this, because I truly believe in Binance. And let's just say, for some ungodly reason, this is a hack and all this stuff is just going down. Like, even if it was, freaking out about it won't do anything, guys. Right now, we are powerless to do anything about it. So freaking out will accomplish nothing. So you guys need to just calm down. We'll wait it out. We'll see where it's going. It's not like we have to wait a week. You guys are acting like it's going to be so long till we get our stuff. And it's until 4 o'clock until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Like, that's not far away. Just chill out. You don't need to be really trading too much right now anyways in this down market. Don't sell any of your stuff. HODL. You guys know this. So, I mean, that's just what I'm trying to get out there right now. I'm trying to calm everybody down. You guys were okay. Just hold on to your coins. Wait for Binance to fix their stuff. If right after Binance fixes their stuff, you don't want to be on there anymore, you think it's sketchy, then get out. It's cool. But I'm going to tell you, every one of these other exchanges is probably going to have the same problem at some point. All these websites have problems. Facebook's had problems before where they get shut down. Pretty much any website is going to have problems at some point and then like close down. It just happens. So relax. It's okay. Let me know in the comments how you think everything is going to go down. I know a lot of you guys still think it's a scam. And if you think it's a scam, or you think that we're being cheated and our money's being stolen, give me some definitive proof. Don't just say, oh my God, they're stealing all of our money. Just give me some proof. Okay? Just some proof. Please. So don't spread FUD, guys. Be nice to everybody in the comments. Don't call people names, blah, 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 blah. I think Binance is a really great place. It's my favorite exchange, so I'm going to back it up. And I think that they're doing their best right now. But again, you know, like, comment, mash that subscribe button. If y'all have any suggestions of what we should do in the next few videos, let me know. And I'll probably get it done. If you have some coins I need to check out, or ICOs or anything like that, we'll probably get that done for you. Go check them out, see how they're doing. And I'll leave you with the question that I've been doing for a while, you know. Tell me how you're keeping up with crypto. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.